Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create meme coins and exactly how I make them go viral over and over again to get thousands of people to buy my meme coins. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from creating coins. I know what I'm doing, and I am making this video to show you exactly how to create meme coins my way with my strategy. I will show you how to find narratives and then how to turn them into meme coins. This video is made for the people who are tired of losing money in the trenches and they want a strategy that is profitable. So you are at the right place at the right time. Keep watching. Now look at my Phantom wallet. All this money came from creating viral coins. I know what I'm doing. I am not a course seller, so keep watching this video if you want to learn exactly how to dev coins. Now here's why deving meme coins is far more superior than trading them, and that's because the truth is that most meme coins are complete bullshit. All they do is pump and dump over and over again. I would say around 90% of all meme coins are destined to go up and then down. It's exactly how meme coins are built, okay? They have no actual value, okay? All they do is pump and dump over and over again, and that's why most traders are actually not profitable. They buy early, they buy here, 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 or here, and they still lose money because they are trading these coins. So that's why I became the dev. Now I am the one launching these coins and making money from the creator fees and from my supply that I sell on everyone. Okay, now look, it costs nothing to launch these coins, and that's exactly why I love deving coins. There is no risk, there is no barrier to entry, and it's really repeatable and mechanical. Now I will show you exactly how to create coins in this video, like I said, so keep watching. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice. I'm simply a guy who makes money from deving. That's it. It's all for educational purposes only, guys. Just cap. Now here's exactly why I have an edge over every single other dev. I launch my coins on a different platform. I use a launchpad called launchmemes.io. I launch my coins here because every single meme coin migrates to Radium right here in the migration section on Radium. Every single meme coin on Radium, bro, usually does way better than Pump.Fun coins. They usually get a bunch of buyers. Like, look at these. Okay, they're all printing a bunch of volume, okay, they're all gaining a bunch of attention, and that's the reality for most Radium meme coins. But compared to Pump.Fun though, they go nowhere, okay, no one buys them, no one sees them, it's oversaturated, okay, most people are launching their coins here, and that's why they're failing. And that's exactly why I make my coins on launchmemes.io. It's simply way more superior. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on launchmemes.io. You have a couple options, right? It's up to you to choose which strategy you like the most, but you could either create coins from scratch just like any other launchpad like Pump.Fun. You can create your own coin as you like. You just need a name, symbol, and image, right? It will go to Radium, that's the whole point, and it will be custom made. Or you can copy trending coins. This is a feature that I love from this website. I've made all my money from copying coins. It's just like vamping meme coins. Instead of creating coins from scratch, we're just going to be copying coins that are already working. Every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all gaining a bunch of attention and they're all gaining a bunch of volume, which means they have good narratives, and we're simply going to be copying one coin here back to Radium to get a bunch of buyers. That's it, that's all. Let me show you how it's done with a live launch. Now obviously, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. That is the most important part. Like that, you can cash out your profits if it gets buyers, right? Boom, it's connected. Now let's copy a coin. Go for anything, they're all good, and that's why they're on this list. So I'm gonna just go for a random one, okay? I'm gonna go for like the Grand Theft Jason coin. Just go for anything, they're all good. Click on copy the Radium right here, ignore the block. This is normal for all Radium launchpads. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait a couple seconds. Okay, just wait. should be minted on Solana. Boom. And as you guys can see, it's minted on Solana. You have the proof there. Let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create a supply like that. Our coin can go to Iridium. Do not be confused, okay? It's really simple. Just follow along. For the coins right here, click on 90% and make sure you click on that for every single launch. It's perfect. For the amount of SOL to pair, this is the dev buy like that. You can have supply and you can make money if it gets buyers. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You're not going to lose anything, okay? Once you cash out at the end, it will come back. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin should be live in a couple seconds. Boom, it's live. Click on refresh, and as you guys can see, people can now buy our coin. Okay, let's go see the chart. It's already, as you guys can see, I use Photon. Okay, you can use any trading platform that you want, and as you guys can see, it's already pumping. We're at a $400 market cap. It's already pumping so much. This is exactly why I love diving coins. You guys can see, okay, we're getting a bunch of traction. Now if you come back to the website, click on refresh, you guys can see we're already up $160 within seconds in profits. By the way, that's profits if we cash out right now. Okay, and yeah, that's insane. We made $150 within seconds. Okay, now look, do not cash out right now because people might be iffy if you sell right now. Just wait for your coin to pump a bit more and then now you can cash out. So when I come back, I will show you how much we made and how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we're simply at the 25k market cap. Let's cash out to see how much we made, bro. It's quick and simple. It's up to you if you want to let the coin go up or down, okay? I'm gonna cash out right now to show you how it's done. So it's been like 8 minutes. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up 2.66k from this meme coin within seconds. Let's cash this out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block real quick. So boom, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang, we just cash out. And if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, here's a proof. I got my payout, 2.6k. It's a bit less than what it was here, but you know, it's normal, bro. We still made $2,000. That is not too bad. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, guys. It's up to you, bro. Just stay consistent and just launch. And if you want to win 10 Solana like this when you're right here, just like, subscribe and comment and join my Telegram group down below. It's completely free to enter. Good luck.